Good morning to all. Today our chapter is quadratic equation. See, quadratic equation, I have taken the exercise 1.5 from the WB board for class 10. Question number 1. See, 2x square plus 7x plus 3 equal to 0. It is given. This quadratic equation given. From this quadratic equation, you have to compare this equation with ax square plus bx plus c. Then you will get a is equal to 2. A means the coefficient of x square. B means the coefficient of x, that is 7, and C means the constant of, that is 3. After finding the value of A, B, C, then you have to find out discriminant. Discriminant formula is D is equal to B square minus 4AC. Okay, putting the value of B, that is 7 whole square minus 4A 2 C3, coming how much? 49 minus 24 coming 25. It is a positive number or not? 25 is a purely positive number. That means D greater than 0. Whenever D coming greater than 0, in that case, the roots are real and distinct. You have to memorize when the roots are real and distinct, then you have to solve for x using formula method. Okay. The formula is x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac root over, that is d, by 2a. Putting the value of b, that is 7 plus minus b square minus 4ac 25 root over, it is coming minus 7 plus minus 5 by 2 to the 4, because a is 2. Now you have to separate one time plus, one time minus. Coming how much? This is x is equal to minus 1 by 2, another coming x is equal to minus 3. Okay. In this way, I have completed number 1 first part. When D, that is discriminant coming greater than 0, that means roots are real and distinct. You have to mention, I have written here. Whenever D greater than 0, the roots are real and distinct. Okay. I have completed first part. Let us go to the second part. Second part question given 3x square minus 2 root over 6x plus 2 equal to 0. It is given. From here, same process, you have to find out the value of a, that is coefficient of x square. C, B the coefficient of x, that is minus 2 root over 6, C coming 2 coming. After finding A, B, C, then find D. D means discriminant. Discriminant, just to see. Next, after finding the value of A, that is 3, B is equal to minus 2 root 6, C 2. Then find discriminant. Discriminant B square minus 4AC. Putting the value of B, that is minus 2 root over 6 whole square minus 4, A means 3, C means 2. Coming 0 coming. Whenever D is equal to 0, the roots are real and equal. Roots are real and equal. Then you have to solve for x. X is equal to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac root over by 2a. Put in the value of a, b, c. You are getting how much you just to see. It is coming root 6 by 3. Another coming root 6 by 3. Okay. The second part complete. Let us go to the third part. Next, third part question given 2x square minus 7x plus 9 equal to 0. It is given. Here you have to find out a, the value of coefficient of x square 2, b coming minus 7, c coming 9. Then therefore d is equal to b square minus 4ac, putting the value of b minus 7 whole square minus 4a to c coming 9. Coming negative coming, because 49 minus 72 minus 23. D less than 0. Whenever the D coming less than 0 negative, the roots are not real. The roots are not real. Okay. Whenever D coming less than 0, roots are not real. Let us go next part. Fourth part question given 2 by 5x square minus 2 by 3x plus 1 equal to 0. It is given. Then taking LCM, it is coming 6x square minus 10x plus 15 by 15. Then 15 will take that side. This will be 0 into 15, 0. Coming 6x square minus 10x plus 15 equal to 0. Comparing with the quadratic equation coming a is equal to 6, b is equal to minus 10, c is equal to 15. Therefore, d is equal to b square minus 4ac. B means here minus 10 whole square minus 4. A means here 6, c means here 15. Coming how much? Minus 260, which is less than 0. Whenever d coming less than 0 means negative, roots are not real. Okay. Up to class 10, not necessary to solve. Only they have tell the nature of the roots. Roots are not real. Question number 2. See, question number 2 condition given, the roots are real and equal. Quadratic equation provided, that is 49x square plus kx plus 1 equal to 0. Question given, the roots are real and equal. The roots are real and equal. Then find the value of k. First of all, you find what is a, what is b, what is c. Then find d, that is b square minus 4ac. Put in the value of b here, a coming 49, c 1 coming k square minus 4 into 49. Then for real and equal roots, d equal to 0. For real and equal roots, d equal to 0. Putting the value of d, k square minus 4 into 49 equal to 0. Then take that one this side. Therefore, k is equal to 4 into 49 root over, coming 2 into 7, 14. The value of k is 14. Let us go next part. Next number, it is given 3x square minus 5x plus 2k equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation given. The roots are real and equal. Here you have to find the value of k. A equal to how much? 3 coefficient x square. B means here coefficient of a, that is minus 5. C is equal to 2k. In this way you have to find out d, that is b square minus 4ac. B means here minus 5 whole square minus 4. A means 3. C means 2k. It is coming 25 minus 24k. For real and equal root, d equal to 0. You have to mention for real and equal roots, d is equal to 0. Put in the value of d, that is 25 minus 24k equal to 0. It is coming k is equal to 25 by 24. Okay. Let us go third part. The third part question given 9x square minus 24x plus k equal to 0. Here a is equal to 9, b is equal to minus 24, c is equal to k. Then find d, that is b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac. Put in the value of b, that is minus 24 whole square minus 4, a means 9, c means k. In this coming 576 minus 36k. For real and equal root, the d equal to 0 condition. Now put in this equal to 0, k equal to how much? 576 by 36, it will go by 16, k equal to 16. Let us go next part. Next quadratic equation given 2x square plus 3x plus k equal to 0. This is given. First of all, you have to find out what is the value of x square, that is coefficient of x square, a equal to 2. B means coefficient of x, that is 3. C, that is constant of k. After finding the value of a, b, c, then find d. D stands for b square minus 4ac. B equal to 3 whole square minus 4. A means 2. C means k. It is coming 9 minus 8k. For real and equal roots, d is equal to 0. So d coming how much? 9 minus 8k equal to 0. Therefore 9 is equal to 8k. K equal to 9 by 8. Okay. Let us go to the fifth part of number 2. See, fifth part question given x square minus 2 whole into 5 plus 2k x plus 3 whole into 7 plus 10k equal to 0. A equal to how much? Coefficient x square, that is 1. B means the coefficient of x minus 2 whole into 5 plus 2k. And C coming 3 whole into 7 plus 10k. Then find d. D stands for discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac. B means this minus 2, 5 plus 2k whole square, it will be 4 whole into 5 plus 2k whole square minus 4. A means here 1, C means here this one. Taking 4 common and applying 5 plus 2k whole square, a plus whole square formula here, 25 plus 4k plus 20k. Now open the brackets. 3 left, 3 into 7, 21, 3 into 10k, that is minus 30k. After simplification, it is coming 4k square minus 10k plus 4. Okay. Again 2 you can take common here, taken common 2, 8 coming outside, 2k square minus 5k plus 2. Okay. This is the, again you are getting one quadratic equation type, you have to solve for k. Just to see. For real and equal to d equal to 0, putting d value equal to 0. Then dividing 8 both sides. Again middle term breaking. It is coming k is equal to 2 and k is equal to half. Okay. Let us go to sixth part of number. Sixth part given 3k plus 1 x square plus 2 whole into k plus 1 x plus k equal to 0 given. A equal to how much? Coefficient x square, that is 3k plus 1. B is equal to 2 whole into k plus 1. C is equal to k. Therefore d equal to b square minus 4ac. Putting value of b, that is 2 whole into k plus 1 minus 4. A means here ck plus 1. C is equal to k. Taking 4 common and applying k plus 1 whole square, opening the bracket, you are getting minus 2k square plus k plus 1. Take minus common outside. It is coming minus 4 whole into 2k square minus k minus 1. Next, for real and equivalent, this part will be equal to 0. Just see. For real and equivalent, d equal to 0, then minus 4 dividing both sides, you are getting 2k square minus k minus 1 equal to 0. You have to middle term of breaking, coming k minus 1, 2k plus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, k is equal to 1, k is equal to minus half. Question number 3, see, roots are given, means roots of the quadratic equation given 4 and 2, you have to form the quadratic equation. Let me explain. Sum of the root you have to find out, that is 4 plus 2, 6. Product of roots you have to find out, that is 4 into 2, that is coming 8. Required quadratic equation formula will be x square minus sum of roots into x plus product of roots equal to 0. Now put the value of sum of root, that is 6 coming here, minus x square minus 6x plus product of root 8 coming. This is required equation is x square minus 6x plus 8 equal to 0. Let us go to the second part of number 3. Next, second part, roots given minus 4 and minus 3. The sum of roots is what? Minus 4 plus minus 3, minus 7 coming, product of root coming 12. Required equation will be x square minus sum of roots into x plus product of roots equal to 0. Putting the value of sum of root minus 7 coming x square plus 7x plus 12 equal to 0. Third part, roots are given minus 4 and 3. Sum of root find karo. It is coming minus 1, product root coming minus 12. The required quadratic equation will be x square minus sum of roots into x plus product of roots equal to 0. Putting sum of root as minus 1, that means x square plus x minus 12 equal to 0. Third part completed. Let us go to next part. Next part, roots are given 5 and minus 3. Sum of root will be how much? 5 minus 3. If you add, you are getting 2. Product of root coming minus 15. Required equation will be x square minus sum of roots into x plus product of roots equal to 0. Putting the value of sum of root as 2, that is x square minus 2x minus 15 equal to 0. Next I am doing question number 8. See, quadratic equation given 5x square plus 2x minus 3 equal to 0, where alpha and beta are the roots of the equation, and you have to find out alpha square plus beta square, alpha cube plus beta cube. Third one, 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. Fourth part, alpha square by beta plus beta square by alpha. See, let us see the answer. Quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. As you know, sum of roots, that is alpha plus beta, formula is minus b by a, and product of roots, that is alpha and beta, coming c by a. Now compare the equation 5x square plus 2x minus 3 equal to 0 as before. X square, that is a equal to 5, b is equal to 2, c is equal to 3. Alpha plus beta will be how much? Minus b by a. Putting here b value and a value coming minus 2 by 5. Alpha and beta c by a minus 3 by 5. After that, you have to find the alpha square plus beta square equal to how much? Alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta, means it is coming minus 2 by 5 whole square minus 2 into minus 3 by 5. After simplification, you are getting 34 by 25. Next part, you have to find out alpha cube plus beta cube, which is the formula is alpha plus beta whole cube minus 3 alpha beta whole into alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta is how much? That is minus 2 by 5, minus 2 by 5 whole cube, minus 3 alpha beta is minus 3 by 5, alpha plus beta minus 2 by 5. In this I am getting minus 98 by 125. Okay, let us go to the next part. Next part, given 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta equal to alpha plus beta by alpha beta. Put the value of alpha beta, that is minus 2 by 5, and alpha and beta, that is 3 by minus 3 by 5. 5 cancel, it is coming 2 by 3. Okay, let us see next part. Next part, fourth part, question given alpha square by beta plus beta square by alpha. Taking LCM alpha and beta, it will be alpha cube plus beta cube by alpha beta. Already I have found alpha cube plus beta cube, that is minus 98 by 125. Now putting the value of alpha and beta minus 3 by 5, after simplification you are getting 98 by 75. Another part I have done, just see, one question given 3x square plus 8x plus 2 equal to 0, and you have to find out 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. First of all, you have to find what is a, what is b, what is c. Alpha plus beta coming minus 8 by 3 and alpha and beta 2 by 3. Just simplify and put the value of alpha plus beta, that is minus 8 by 3, and alpha and beta 2 by 3. 3 cancel, it is coming minus 4. Okay, thank you for today class. Next day I'll do more sums.